Hey there.
Fuego que soy el fuego que.
Seriously, Spider-Man's eating good tonight. Footballers don't smoke, except crack. Doing a bit of engineering on the old Hoover. I've just read in the paper there, the police pulled over a bus in Northampton today and fined everyone on the bus who weren't wearing a mask. The police state is taking over. Don't know if you can see that, boys. I'm sure that says number 69 place, though. Come on, bus driver, get moving. Place, though. It's an old London bus. Saturday night, just gone down to see the Colonel. Gaethje Khabib fight tonight. I reckon Khabib's going to choke him out in the fourth. Late third, early fourth. But I wouldn't be surprised if Gaethje wins, despite Khabib's never been beaten. They're just savages, the pair of them. It's one of them fights, you want both of them to win. But obviously there can only be one. Right guys, I hope you're having a good night wherever you are. Yeah, a brave lot in there. You wouldn't think there's a pandemic going on. Right, what am I going to have for dinner? You probably can't see them in the dark, boys, but I asked the girl for some tomato sauce and mayo. Can you see that? And she gave me 3 bleeding straws. That would last me a year. Throw that in Aldi. No, I shouldn't have done that spirit box.